amazing. Exploring Vancouver Island by motorcycle. Riding in the mountains during the day, in the pubs in the evening. Stopping at the tourist destinations as I go. This is part 55 of my solo cross-country ride on my Tiger.
As you can tell, most of these lookouts, there are lookouts along here that are gorgeous. And they're on the way up island, not the way down island. Because we can't cross this to get to it, so.
I did stop at these going up island. They are on different videos. Looks like I'm stuck for a bit. Up till now, the traffic has been great.
Whoa, a 25-minute slowdown. Ah! Well, at least, hopefully we have a good view when that happens. Let's see. Don't go, dude. I'm gonna pass you. It's red for a little while. Oh, it's annoying. Let's hope we can keep moving though. Alright, or not. Keep going. Wow, beautiful. Okay, moving again. Woohoo! Oh, come on, people. Going down the Malahat. Beautiful. I'm still going down the Malahat. This is a pretty ride, but it would be nice to be going just a wee bit faster. Yeah. First gear, going down the highway, which would be lots of fun. If I wasn't in first gear. I think they need to make another lane. What do you think? I'm not sure what's going on with all the cones. Oh, there's some equipment. Alright, let's see if I can see. We are in Goldstream. Not sure if we're actually in the provincial park yet or not. I think we are. And the Goldstream River is down below. And I'm going to assume that the pink salmon come in here as well. Which means bears. Yep, there we go. Goldstream Day Use Visitor Center. So the river is below.
Took a short detour just north of Goldstream Park to Mount Work to hike the mountain. We passed a few beautiful homes on some of the lakes at the bottom of the mountain. We hiked the summit trail. We just hiked the south end in and out, adding up to 5 kilometers, or just over 3 miles. The trail starts out super easy, looking more like a road. It doesn't get difficult, but does get narrower and steeper. Not at the top yet, already getting amazing views. This is looking towards Victoria, with the Olympic Mountains in Washington in the background. I am on Work Mountain, and quite a bit of a hike coming up here. What I just showed you is the trail. And I think it's rated a black, or it's rated one of the harder hikes. The beginning of it's really easy, so not at the top yet, but getting amazing views. And I do need to kind of watch where I'm going here, so I do need to look down to see, because yeah, the trail's definitely not even. But yeah, beautiful spot, beautiful hike. Not far. I need to look for yellow. I'm following the yellow trailhead. I need to look for the yellow. Guessing it's that way. Anyway, so, I'm gonna go and find my trailhead. Alright, found that trail. Still not at the top, but up near a clearing, so I can show you the view. And it is amazing. Look at that. So that is towards downtown Victoria. Don't know if we're actually seeing the corner downtown this far or not, but that's at least that direction. The mountains in the way background across the ocean is Washington State Olympic Mountains. I can see them with my eyes up there. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. The camera usually doesn't pick that stuff up. It's a bit too not bright. So yeah, and going up Vancouver Island. Look at how pretty that is. Zooming in with a photo to see downtown Victoria, the inner harbor, and the mountains in the background, the Olympic Mountains in Washington State. Austin walked a bit farther than me to where the mountains started going downhill. Time for us to head back down the mountain. This tree looks like it could come alive and walk down the mountain with us. One tree ready for fall. An inviting and warm path leading into the woods. A local map and key posted in the parking lot. Continuing my ride towards Victoria.
There's a little bit of the river on the other side. It gets really small up here. It is bigger back there. So there is a Goldstream campground, which is to the right, and the end of the Malahat. And there are a bunch of hikes around here as well. Up the mountain, behind Goldstream, actually both directions, kind of surrounded by mountains here. Hang on, I gotta get my visor back up. There we go. Can breathe again.
Another quick detour to an area that is new to me, Bear Mountain. Rode around the pretty neighborhoods and stopped to look at the view. Finally arriving in downtown Victoria. I am way behind in editing my videos for YouTube because I would rather ride than stay home and edit. I was here when Queen Elizabeth II passed away. The coat of arms of the provinces in Canada. Walking around the inner harbor, looking at the memorials, the lovely gardens, and the beautiful buildings. A street I will come back to, Government Street. A fun map of the island, and of course, we found a pub at one of the squares in downtown, doing the tourist thing in Fantan Alley. Down to the docks for some fish and chips. Watching the cute harbor taxis cross the inner harbor. And a seal came to say hi. The coho which goes to Port Angeles. And back at the Empress. We did a circle around town. Off to another pub, this time at the Breakwater. Walking out on Ogden Point, we watched the cruise ships come in. A fun way to see the sunset. Sharing a flight on the other side of the harbor. Watching the remainder of the sunset from Mount Tommy. Amazing views of downtown, the cruise ships lit up, and the mountains beyond. Hit like, subscribe, share, and add a comment below. Click the notifications bell and you'll be notified for my next videos as I continue to explore Vancouver Island. Thanks for watching. Follow me on social media.